Good morning students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So class 7th your chapter number 5 more on Photoshop CS3. In the last we already learned about this layers to understand about this layers in Photoshop and different types of layers, name of different types of layers and graphics file formats GIF, JPG, TI, FLF and PSD all are format we are already discussed about in a Photoshop. So student, next we are going to start a new topic in your Photoshop about a next tool. So next tool is your extracting an image from its background tool. Let us now select an image of a bird in the following photographs using the magnetic lasso tool and extract it from the background. So steps are, students, first is open the required image with a background and select the object bird here with the help of the magnetic lasso tool. Then open the select menu and click on the inverse option. After the area of the image except for the selected area will now get selected, the selection will get inverse. Then press the delete key. The background area except for bird will get deleted. So the last step is here, save the image in any format as required by using the save as option of the file menu. Then click anywhere outside the image to clear the selection. Then student, using the magic wand tool. So magic wand tool, student, is used to select and adjust in areas of an image that are of the same color. So here we will select background area in the following image using the magic wand tool. So steps for this are as follows. First of all, open the required image by using the open option of the file menu. Then select the magic wand tool from the toolbox. So the shape of the pointer changes to magic wand. So click on the required color. All similar color pixel in the image will get selected. So you can click with the magic wand tool multiple times to select the different colored area. So you can press the delete key to delete the selected region or perform other operation with it as required. So this is the magic wand tool steps. Then recoloring a selection. So recoloring a selection, Photoshop allow you to change the color of a part of an image. Here we will change the color of the background of the image given below. The steps are as follows. First of all, open the image file and then select the required part of the image whose color you want to change. Then click on the foreground color in the toolbox. So the color picker dialog box appear. Then select a required foreground color. Click on the OK button after foreground color will change. Then last, select the paint bucket tool. So bring it inside the selection here background in the above image and click with the mouse. So the area will get filled with the selected foreground color. Then student, using the crop tool. In this Photoshop, the crop tool of the Photoshop toolbox allows us to remove unwanted areas of an image. Here we will use the crop tool to retain only the line and do away with the rest of its body. So the steps to do this are as follows. Number first, open the required image. Then click to select the crop tool from the toolbox. The shape of the mouse pointer changes to crop icon. Then click and drag the mouse to create a rectangular selection over the part of the image that you want to retain. The crop marquee will appear around the selected part. Notice that small resizing handles on the marquee. You can adjust the size of the marquee by dragging these handles. So after adjusting the crop marquee, double click inside, anywhere inside it. The part that lie outside the crop marquee will get removed from this picture. So this is using the crop tool in Photoshop. Next, let's recall important point in your chapter. So Adobe Photoshop CS3 is an image editing software that helps to create and modify images. And using Adobe Photoshop, you can also change the file format of an image to .gimp, .tiff, .jpg and so on. Aftermarket tools given in a Photoshop are selection tools that helps you to select image a part of image in different ways. And the move tool is used to move an image or a selected part of an image. Lasso tool. Lasso tools are also selection tool that help you to select an image with the irregular edges. And the magic wand tool is used to select adjust an area of an image with the same color. And the crop tool help you to remove unwanted areas of an image. Then terms to learn students. Retouching, improving or repairing an image by making slight alterations to it. The resolution part, amount of pixel per inch of an image or density of image with an image. BMP format. So bitmap.bmp is a file format used to store large size image files. Then TIFF format, tagged image file format .TIFF is used for storing very large and high quality images. Then GIF formats. Graphic interchange format .gif is a compressed file format for storing light images. Then JPG format means Joint Photographic Expert. Group.jpg or JPG is an image file format for image to be uploaded to the web. Last important point should be cropping, the removal of unwanted areas of an image. So students, just go through all this topic and learn all the important points in terms to learn all this point in your Photoshop.